Hi, my name is Jillian. I am 58 years old. I am a makeup artist. I am definitely seeing changes in my skin. A lot more lines are coming to the surface, deeper wrinkles are forming, and overall my skin is a lot drier than it used to be. So I want something that repairs, fights back against those lines and wrinkles and dehydration. That's why I am loving Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Cream. It's going to help to nourish and strengthen skin instantly. In fact, there is a 192% improvement in moisturization. It has ingredients like soybean seed extract and hyaluronic acid. It comes in 2 different formulas. I use the lightweight cream for all skin types. It features the same CL1870 peptide complex that's in the serum, which is going to boost natural collagen to strengthen skin support structure. It is incredible. It has made my skin look smoother, more youthful, more rejuvenated looking. Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Cream definitely attacks the issues with results that you see immediately and long term.